Welcome to Techno World UK. This is Samdani. Today I'm going to present you BONTEC wall mount reviews, unboxing and on the wall. Please stay tuned. BONTEC TV wall mount for most 37 to 70 inch LED, LCD, plasma, flat curve TVs. Tilt TV wall bracket with max VESA 600 x 400 mm up to 60 kg, bubble level 1.8 meter, HDMI cable and cable ties included. Thick wall mount engineered with a low profile design. This TV mount measures only 38 mm from the wall to ensure that it is almost invisible after installation, space saving with a neat appearance. The automatic locking system makes it easy locking and quick release of your TV. The wall mount comes with 5 times cable ties, 1.8 meter HDMI cable, bubble level, easy to understand instruction on all the necessary product features. It comes with a tilt features that allows you to tilt between 1 degree and -8 degree so that you can choose the most comfortable position while reducing glare and neck eye strain. Constructed from reinforced cold rolled steel finished with black powder coat. This wall bracket is extremely sturdy and durable, rust resistant technology and still made buckles for long-time use. Let's see the unboxing of this product. I ordered it and it came just next day. So let's unbox it. As you can see, it's a slim box. Let's cut the box and from the side. The model number is 118 MP. You can see the bubble level. It helps very much when you mount it to just level it. These are the TV's back parts. You can fix it just with the TV. This is HDMI cable. This is other parts, bolts. As you can see, here's some cable ties, nuts and bolts again. This is for the wall mount. And this one as well. You can joint it together. And that's it. At the end of this video, I will show you how it's on the wall. And if you like my channel, please subscribe it. I will appreciate any comments and share. Thanks for watching. If you like this product, you can order it from my description below. There's a link where you can click it and visit and buy as well. Simply just go to my description box and click it. You will see everything. You can buy whatever you like after you going through the link. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. See you with the next video with a new technology. Thank you. Bye now.